Allons enfants de la patrie. Legionnaire, you are volunteer serving France with honor and fidelity. Légionnaire, tu es un volontaire servant la France avec honneur et fidélité.
What a wonderful morning. Gaston Monachudon, how is the world? Isn't it great? Schultz, ready? Ready for action? Because I think that the applicants are very soon here. They're looking and listening what we are doing. Oh, good morning, applicant. You are here, and I'll tell you something. Your French Foreign Legion teacher is back. And I am back with some very important messages for you. As you have seen in the intro, today it's all about the Code d'honneur du Légionnaire, the Code of Honor. And let me tell you something. This code, you must learn it by heart. Because it's so important. It's so important. Maybe they will not ask you the Code d'honneur when you knock on the door of the French Foreign Legion recruiting office. But if you tell them that you know the Code d'honneur, they will say, wow, welcome, come in, my friend. And what are your first words when you knock on the door and a caporal chef is standing in front of you? It's not, caporal chef, vous me cassez les couilles. No, it's, bonjour, caporal chef. Comment allez-vous? J'aimerais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Or, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. But all this stuff I learned you in the last lesson, I will check it out later after the clip. And I hope you have been a good pupil. So, La France, because the first paragraph of the Legionnaires' Code of Honor, it's all about France. And I already showed you in the intro a little bit what is the country. And let me tell you that La France is maybe the most worldly shaped country of the world. A country where the sun never sets. Where the sun is never going down. Why? Because La France, they have their territory français, French territory, and they have departments. Where? In Canada, in Polynesia, in Saint Martin, Caribbean Sea, in French Guyana, la Guyane française, but also in La Réunion, Mayotte, and this is east of Africa. And you know what? The largest border with another country is not in Europe. It's in Brazil. Oiapoque, frontier French Guyana with Brazil. Because la Guyane française, c'est un département. And you must learn all this. What is La France? La France is so much things, so much beautiful things. And you must know it because you will make your duty in France. I'm coming back to the first article, to the first paragraph. And this is important, right? La France. What is La France? La France is all above la tricolore. La tricolore. This is the flag, the France flag, national flag, right? Blue, white, red. Blue, white, red. And then, of course, you have all the wonderful people, and then you have the president. The president actual is Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron once was member of the Socialist Party, right? And now he is the president of this wonderful country. Okay? The capital of France, the main town of France is Paris. And Paris, the landmark of France, is standing in Paris. And it's the Tour d'Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. Wonderful, wonderful. I always say that France has two capitals. There's two main towns. It's Paris and it's Marseille. Because Marseille is just stunning. This is a melting pot of cultures. I love this genuine flair of Marseille. Great. Okay, but now let's come to the first paragraph of the Code d'honneur. Le Code d'honneur du légionnaire. This is very important to learn the words. Right? Légionnaire. And this is you. Légionnaire. Repeat. Légionnaire. Tu es un volontaire. Repeat. Tu es un volontaire. Servons la France. Repeat. Servons la France avec honneur et fidélité. In French, they say, avec honneur et fidélité. Say again, avec honneur et fidélité. I say it again, one more time, slowly. Right? Légionnaire, tu es un volontaire, servons la France avec honneur et fidélité. And you got it. I think this is easy to learn, you know? And this is the first paragraph of the French Foreign Legion's Code d'honneur du légionnaire. And this code, this guides you through your legion's life, but also for your life afterwards. You know, this is mandatory to know in combat. This will guide you through combat. It will guide you through your private life. And this is a very genuine code. There's no country of the world, no army of the world has a code of honor like this. We say it again together. Légionnaire, tu es un volontaire, servons la France avec honneur et fidélité. Learn it by heart and you will be one of the most desired applicants they can imagine, right? You're great, you're great. I know that you can do it. I believe in you. You want to join the French Foreign Legion. I believe that you can do it. Let's go back to your last lessons, to our last lessons. We've learned, and I will teach you so much more, believe me. These are what? These are des épaulettes de tradition. Repeat. Épaulettes de tradition. Right. This is le képi blanc. This is le képi blanc. And here we have la ceinture bleue. La ceinture bleue. Very important to know all this stuff. Right? La ceinture bleue. Les képis blancs. Les épaulettes de tradition. And one more time. Ça c'est le chapeau de brousse. You must learn all this stuff. Huh? And when you are knocking on the door in the French Foreign Legion's recruiting office in Aubagne, I gave you the tip. You forgot? Go first to Aubagne. And there's a caporal standing in front of you. You don't say, Bonjour, caporal chef, vous me cassez le roulement. No, you will say, Bonjour, caporal chef, comment allez-vous? Je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. He will smile, he will open the door, and he will say, Come in, my friend, you are very welcome. Right? I tell you a story right now. Because we are all about France, right? France is standing for La Tour de France. La Tour de France, all about bicycle racing. France is for good wine and good beer. France is for cheese. They make a genuine cheese, very perfect. I love the French cheese, but France is also standing for La Légion étrangère, right? When I was with my unit in the Republic, in the Central African Republic, in 1988, we were standing on the in Tenue de Parade, we were standing on the Place de Rassemblement, and I was ongoing NCO, and everybody started to sing La Marseillaise, and I was standing there, and I thought, fuck, I cannot sing the French national hymn because I am German, so it was for me kind of difficult, and I looked all around me, but everybody started to sing. I say, what do you want from France? Just going there, taking all the money in the end of the month, put it in a pocket? No. So, but I was not French. I was German. I was maybe a little bit French, but I thought that I was an universal soldier. Huh? But then I had a smile and I say, no. This hymn, this national hymn is also a little bit mine. Huh? Because I am serving France with honor and fidelity. And I start to sing with all the others. Allons enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé. Contre nous de la tyrannie, le temps sanglant est levé. Le temps sanglant est levé, entendez-vous dans ces campagnes mugir ces féroces soldats qui viennent jusque dans nos bras, égorger nos fils et nos campagnes. Aux armes citoyens, formez vos bataillons, marchons, marchons, quel sang impur approuve l'océan. Bam, badam. I was not German, I was not French, I was an universal soldier, I was a legionnaire, and I was fucking proud to wear the Capi Blanc. Applicants, I wish you good luck. I wish you to stay safe. I wish you health. And I thank you so much to be here. And the next time we will go through a very important lesson, a very important message for you. Tips and tricks all about the French Foreign Legion from me to you. Stay safe. Amitié légionnaire, yours, Thomas Gaza. Bye bye.